Hello everyone, it's Chef Stas from Ask Chef channel, and today we're making a cranberry sauce. Sweet, sour, full 3D. It will pair perfectly with a poultry or Swedish meatballs. Let's start cooking.
At first, take 4 oranges, zest one of them, and juice all 4. Add spices, cinnamon, ginger and allspice. Stir and reduce by half. After that, add lingonberries and sugar. Stir, bring to a boil and reduce. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes. The sauce should be reduced by half. The sauce is ready. Serve it with the poultry or Swedish meatballs. Subscribe to the channel and see you next time.